thunderstorm warning for southeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manteno to 8 miles west of Ashcombe to near Saybrook, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Lowell, Manteno, Gibson City, Momence, Gilman, Clifton, Chatsworth, Onarga, Grand Park, St. Anne, Chabent, Piper City, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Martinton, and Crescent City, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 271 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. for southeastern Wood and southeastern Cook counties. At 1:49 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over Markham or over Harvey, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 1:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elwood or near Joliet, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, letting around 2 or 5 p.m. Other locations in the country, severe thunderstorms include Orland Park, Waukeena, and Frankfort. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building.
Ford County is east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County is east central Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Manteno to 8 miles west of Ashcombe to near Saybrook, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Lowell, Manteno, Gibson City, Momence, Gilman, Clifton, Chatsworth, Onarga, Grand Park, St. Anne, Chabent, Piper City, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Martinton, and Crescent City, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 271 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.